Today we're making miniature heads of lettuce for our little mini play garden. You can download the pattern on sweetbarsisters.com. I went ahead and printed mine directly on these shipping labels so I could stick them right to the felt and get a clean cut. You're going to start with 3 mini leaves, 5 medium ones and 5 big ones. You'll take your felt ball and you will glue your 3 mini leaves on one side of the ball, overlapping each as you go around. On that last one, you'll just pick up that last edge and put it over the 3rd leaf and put a little glue on there. That way they all overlap each other. And you can go ahead and just glue all of the little edges that are sticking up so that everything lies flat. Now we're gonna move on to our medium leaves. You'll take the first one and just put a tiny bit of glue on one side and stick it onto your head of lettuce. For the next one, you're gonna put your glue all along, like in a line along the bottom. And you'll do that with all of the next leaves and you will overlap them just slightly. Once you get to your last leaf, you'll tuck it under that first leaf and then glue that over your last so that they are all overlapping. And again, you can always just stick a little glue in any of the edges that are sticking out more than you like. Now we're going to move on to our last bigger leaves. You'll put a line of glue along the bottom of the leaf, place it a little below your last row of leaves, and once you place it onto your head of lettuce, you're going to pinch it so that it opens up just a bit. And you will continue to repeat that process with each leaf all the way around your head of lettuce, overlapping them just slightly. If you'd like to add a little bit more detail to your head of lettuce, you can do so with some Sharpie markers. You could be done without this part, but we just used 3 different colors of green Sharpie markers and drew on a little bit of the veins of the lettuce leaves. I like to have one Sharpie that is really close to the color of the felt, and that will allow me to kind of blend in the other colors. You can add the other colors of Sharpie and then kind of color over those and blend them in with the Sharpie that is the color of your felt.